In this video, we'll be talking about the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike, one of the most exciting and rugged electric bikes in the market today. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric bike in the description below for the best price. The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer stands out as a powerhouse built for both adventure and daily commuting. Packing a 960W peak brushless motor, it provides impressive torque and acceleration that can easily handle steep climbs in tough terrains. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, sandy roads, or city streets, this e-bike offers the kind of performance that makes every ride exciting. The 48V20Ah removable battery offers a generous range anywhere from 40 to 80 miles depending on your riding style and terrain, which means you can confidently go on longer rides without worrying about running out of juice. Charging takes around 8 to 9 hours, which is fair considering the range it delivers. One of the biggest highlights of the Boxer is its 2025 longitudinal hidden suspension system, a fresh innovation from PUCKIPUPPY. Unlike traditional horizontal or visible suspension setups, this design improves stability and absorbs shocks more efficiently, giving you a smoother, more comfortable ride. Combined with the 26-inch, 4-inch wide fat tires, this bike can handle anything from gravel paths to snowy streets. The full suspension aluminum frame adds durability without being overly heavy, striking a solid balance between comfort and performance. The dual hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent stopping power even in rainy or slippery conditions, so you can ride with confidence no matter the weather. On the convenience side, the 7-speed Shimano gear system makes it easy to adjust for hills or flat roads, while the LCD display keeps you informed about your speed, distance, and battery level. Plus, PUCKIPUPPY includes a thoughtful accessory package, things like a lock, rear rack, fenders, phone holder, and even a bike cover, which adds value and practicality right out of the box. Of course, no bike is perfect. The Boxer's 8 to 9 hour charge time may feel long if you're used to faster charging models, and its large frame might be a bit bulky for smaller riders. But overall, this e-bike offers exceptional value for its power, range, and comfort. The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer is built for riders who want reliability, versatility, and a strong dose of adventure in every ride.